Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.1, Problem 24. This is Section 3.1, Problem 24. It says write 6 9/100 as a decimal. So, first, I would like to see that number written as a fraction. It's much easier to go from a fraction to a decimal than just from the words to a decimal. So 6 9/100 is 6 9/100. Now, to write it as a decimal, because the 6 is in front of the fraction, it's going to be in front of the decimal too. And now what I want to do is write the decimal so it has as many places, as many digits after the decimal point as you have zeros in the denominator. So since I have a 9 in the numerator, I will need a 9 after the decimal, but because I need 2 digits after the decimal from my 2 zeros in the denominator, I have to write 6.09.